So a lot of you are probably buying a lot of things to protect us during the pandemic, like the face mask, facial, then including yung Cherry Ion Personal Air Purifier. So nag-emit siya ng negative ions para maiwasan natin yung mga pollutants, bacteria, and all. So sa bahay naman, if you want to have more protection, well, isa sa mga magandang devices para sa bahay natin is the air purifier, because not only nakakapag-emit siya ng negative ions, is nakakabawas din siya sa mga ganito, sa mga hindi sa aso, kundi sa allergies na experience natin, if may mga allergies kayo. So having an air purifier definitely helps in improving the air quality sa bahay nyo. And recently naman, si Cherry Home, meron sila mga bagong products, including the air purifier. So pinadalan tayo ni Cherry Home, and it's the Cherry Home air purifier AP-02. That's the model. So this one is priced at 5,000 pesos sa Lazada, and does have a lot of features, including the multi-speed wind mode, the 6-stage air purification. So mas marami tayong purification nangyari dito. We got touchscreen buttons, sleep mode, temperature display, remote control. We also got here the UVC light to kill the viruses and the bacteria. It emits 80 million negative ions, and it's best used sa mga 50 square meters na room. In my case, I have here a condo, nasa 30 plus square meters lang tayo. So this one is already perfect for me. So buong condo na to. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's unbox and let's take a closer look dito sa Cherry Home Air Purifier AP-02. Medyo malaki siya, guys. So totoo lang. Kasi, well, for 50 square meters yung AP-02. So ayan. Pero surprisingly, hindi siya ganun kabigat. So, yan, ganyan siya kalaki. Nakikita niyo naman yung mukha ko. Yan, that's the AP-02. And let's see naman meron sa loob. Okay, so wala naman masyado laman sa loob. We got here the remote. And of course, the manual. So this one is made up of plastic, as expected. We got here the Cherry logo. Dito naman, we got here yung ating interface, and also, I believe, the touchscreen buttons. Unfortunately, hindi pa tayo nakasaksak dito, so wala pa tayong makikita. And nakatago dito sa side is actually yung ating saksakan. So tingnan natin ano makukuha natin dito. So naka-plug in na yung Cherry Home Air Purifier AP-02. Nakabukas yung aircon natin. So kung ano yung naririnig yung hangin, it's currently the aircon, hindi pa yung ating air purifier. Yan. So meron tayong remote dito. So nakikita nyo dito sa remote, ayan. So, ito yung mga buttons niya. Yan. So, we've placed the Cherry Air Purifier AP-02 in the most ideal place na meron tayo dito sa aking place. So, as you can see in here, we're already running it at auto mode. Ayan. So, we can change the modes in here. Ayan. The sleep mode. Ayan. So, we got here the mas malakas na formaldehyde na removal, purify, and anion. So, dito lang tayo sa auto mode. We can actually move the airspeed. Ayan. So, if you want, mas malakas. But I prefer having the airspeed yung sa normal lang. So yan, auto tayo uli. Ayan, so normal airspeed lang tayo. We also got here the ions if you want to turn it off para sa ating mga negative ions, which is yung isa sa biggest feature na meron tayo sa atin dito sa Cherry Home products sila. We also got here the sterilization. Meron tayong UV mode, or kita nyo naman may UV tayo na ilaw sa loob. You can see that clearly sa loob ng ating air purifier. And of course, we got here the timer. So, pwede tayo mag-timer hanggang okay, medyo matagal, pero up to 12 hours. So, right now, I'm setting it up to 2 hours. And ito yung maganda. We got here the temperature, which is 26 degrees Celsius. And of course, we got here yung PM 2.5 natin. If you're not familiar with the numbers, including me, hindi ako familiar dyan, at least we can rely dun sa air quality natin, which means green. This one is already good. So, bakit nga ba siya nilagay dito? Well, this one is actually pretty big. So, makikita nyo naman dito na medyo malaki yung ating air purifier. This is our couch sa bahay. So, medyo may kalakihan yung ating air purifier AP-02. This one is made of plastic. Madaling naman siyang buhatin. I mean, we got here yung ating hawakan dito. I believe dito rin pumapasok yung ating hangin. We got here yung ating saksakan. Nakasaksak lang siya. And it's really nice sa ating bahay. So, hindi siya ganun ka-eyesore na meron tayong air purifier. And in my place dito sa condo, I believe sobrang perfect neto. I mean, meron kami aso, babawasan yung allergies, and also with the Cherry Home Air Purifier, not only mag-improve yung air quality dito, I believe para sa lahat to, the negative ions, makaiwas kami din dito ng viruses. So I guess that's it dito sa ating short unboxing and hands-on natin ng Cherry Home Air Purifier AP-02. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here sa ating YouTube channel. So once again, I am JumOnline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.